If you want to disable biometric login on Fiverr, follow these simple steps to ensure your account security preferences are updated. Step 1. Log into your Fiverr account. Open your web browser or Fiverr app and enter your login credentials to access your Fiverr account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security Settings option. Click on it to view your current security preferences, including biometric login options. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Within the security settings, find the option for biometric login. Toggle the setting off or uncheck the box to disable biometric authentication for your account. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the biometric login, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt to ensure your settings are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully disable biometric login on Fiverr. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Fiverr support for assistance.